So that would be my bid and offer. Yes, flip the, yes, because I'm doing the reciprocals. So that part is easy. Things get a little bit hairy if you're going to do a cross that's not necessarily quoted, because certain crosses are not that liquid. You basically figure out what the cross bid offers should be using the pairs that are related to US. Remember, we're going to do around the world trips. Let's see. I mean, certain pairs are already there. For example, I have Euro Swiss franc is already there. So there's a market for it. I don't have to worry about it. What if I was interested in, let's see, of course, it's updating right now. Let's think about, uh, man, let's see if NOK is here. Well, let's do Swedish krona. Suppose I'm a Swedish importer or exporter, but I want to do business with Turkey, and Turkish rate is TRY. All right, let's. I am interested in bid ask rates for SEK TRY. So value of one Swedish kroner in terms of the Turkish lira. So USD SEK and USD TRY 40.98, 99.97. Or let me write it full. And let's look at the USD SEK. Come on, man. 955.61, 957. '61. Anyway, you probably noticed that some spreads are higher than others. So if I calculated the percentage spread, let's see, basically ask over bid minus one, 957.61 minus one times 100. So this bid offer spread is about 0.209% spread. Since the scales are different, you never want to calculate the spread directly. 40.9997. And this is about 0.209%. So in this case, it looks like the dollar Turkish lira is more liquid. The spreads are relatively less. That kind of makes sense. I mean, Sweden is a major economy, but what's the population of Sweden? 10 million, something like that. On the other hand, population of Turkey is 85 to 87, depending upon how you measure it, whether you include the Syrian refugees. Hopefully they're going back, started going back. We had over 6 million refugees from the war. But I'm interested in this. So, how would I construct it? Let's think about bid. So, I want to tell the price at which I'm willing to buy 1 Swedish kroner in terms of Turkish lira. So, since I can't directly do it, I kind of have to go around the world. If I'm bidding for SEK, well, I'm willing to buy uh, SEK USD, right? Which is going to be the ask for. So I'm willing to buy 1 Swedish kroner against US dollars, right? So that would be 1 over 957.61. It's 0.10, 44, 266. I'm not rounding up numbers on purpose. Typically, when you make multiple calculations, do not round off the intermediate calculations. Usually, we do these in Excel, so it's not a problem. So that many US dollars. Now, if I'm buying Swedish kroner, that means I am selling Turkish liras, right? But I'm willing to uh, pay 0.1044266455 1 Swedish kroner, right? This is USD. But I want to convert that to Turkish lira. So to buy SEK 1. And how much uh, I need to be getting. So I'm going to buy 1 Swedish krona, but I need to pay 0.1044 whatever US dollars, right? But that needs to be converted to Turkish lira. So how do I do that conversion? In order to get 1 Swedish kroner, I need to pay that much. I'm willing to pay that much US dollars, but I need to convert that into Turkish lira. Well, where am I going to get that 1044 US dollars? I'm going to do that by doing what? I need to buy that much US dollars uh, and pay in Turkish lira, right? Now, which price do I use to convert that? I'm buying the dollars, so I need to pay the ask price of US dollar Turkish lira trade, right? So in this case, 1044,266,455 times the ask price of 49.97. And that's going to give me, I don't usually worry too much about this, but it's about 428.50.